ba bam bam, ba di ba bam bam. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. You better get ready, yo. You better get ready, yo. You better get ready, yo. You better get ready. Party's on the way. Ba di ba bam bam, ba di ba bam bam.
Hi lovely people, I welcome you to another episode on MedLife where you prioritize your health and your well-being. So I took an emergency trip to Accra and I was quite amazed at the way people handle the face mask. So I realized that a greater percentage of people had no face mask on at all. And it's quite funny that the city with the highest recorded case of COVID-19 could behave like that. And the little percentage that had a face mask on were not wearing appropriately, so they had it either pulled to their chin or mishandled. And so I want to dedicate this video to the usage of face mask and how to wear it appropriately. I hope at the end of this video you will learn something from it and educate others about how to use the face mask. Stay tuned. So I'm going to show you how to use the face mask. Before you touch any face mask, make sure that you've washed your hands under running water with soap, or you can use your alcohol-based hand sanitizer. So now I'm going to show you, this is a cloth or homemade cloth face mask, and then this is our surgical face mask. Okay, so if you look at the surgical face mask, you realize that it has an outer colored layer and then an inner white layer. So when you want to use this surgical face mask, first look at where the metal strip is. That's going to be around your nose. So I've located my metal strip. So I place it and then I pinch the side. Okay, so first I'm going to wrap the hook strap, okay, around my ear. So this is the first part. I can go to the side and then wrap it around the ear as well. Then you pinch it. Make sure that you're pinching it. Then pull this side to cover your chin. You want to make sure that your face is protected, okay? So you pull it. Try to make sure that the nose area too is secured very well, and then you are good to go. So this is how I'm going to wear my face mask, okay? And you can use this face mask until it's damp or moist or soiled. This is a disposable face mask, so you don't remove it and reuse it the next day after it's soiled or moist, or no, throw it away well. dispose it very well. Okay, this is just one time face mask. You don't need to open over and over again. And now when you're removing your face mask, assuming it's soiled or moist, you want to dispose it, I take it from my ear. So I take it from this part, the first part, and then I can take the second part and then just dump it in the bin or a place where no one can reach. So you don't place it on your table or place around areas where children can reach it or where somebody can contaminate her hands. Okay, dispose it well appropriately. Now to my homemade face mask. I'm told this is FDA approved because it has the 3 layers. Yeah, and then this is a portion to cover your face, but I'm not really a fan of walking around with this thing on my face, so I normally remove this part. So if you take the homemade face mask too, you use it the same way. So I place it here, then wrap the hook strap around my ear, and then this way, then I just pull it to make sure that everywhere is covered, and I'm good to go. This is washable, so after using it, wash it before you reuse it. Okay, don't use one face mask like over and over and over again, especially I don't know, those who walk around, the taxi drivers, they keep using the same face mask over and over again. That is very bad. And don't touch the surface when using it. You contaminate your hands. Anytime you do so, to make sure that you use an alcohol-based sanitizer, or you use or wash your hands under running water with soap. Very important. Don't contaminate the surface. Don't contaminate your hands with the surface. You can also remove it the same way as we did with the surgical mask. Take it off from behind your ears and then dispose it if you want to dispose it, or put it in a place where you can wash it anytime you're ready to wash it. Alright, so this is how you wear your face mask, and then when you're removing it, to make sure you're doing the right thing. Let's help to educate the people around on how to use the face mask very well, and let's educate them to use it. I took a taxi driver and I told him that if you're not wearing the face mask, I'm not taking this taxi, and you have to wear it. Okay, so let's make sure that the people around us are wearing the face mask. Let's make sure they're wearing it well. Don't pull it to your chin. It's not a chin mask, it's a face mask. So let's learn how to use very well. Thank you for joining me for today. Keep watching MedLife. Subscribe, share, and like. You can find me on IG, Call Me Lady, or Facebook, The Lady's Reflection. We'll be back with another interesting episode. Thank you. Bye.